Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to get a blank highlight name on Instagram. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your Instagram app. No, first of all, just open any browser on your phone. I'm going with Brave. You can choose Chrome, Safari, whatever you want. And now go on the search bar and type this Invisible Character Generator. Search it and go on the first website, Edit Pad. Just click on it. And here, click on Copy to Clipboard. Now go back again on Instagram. Alright, here we are. Now just click on the highlight which you want to give a blank name. Click on it and click on Edit Highlight. Here on the title, paste the code which you have copied, and after that just click on Done. Now as you can see, the highlight name is blank now. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.